I do, I might use it for cover. Yeah. That's all we had to change. That's like, oh, they're still back there? Oh my. Guys up there, are you fucking kidding me? Oh, yeah, no way. Yeah. There is no possible way. Oh, never mind. Wait, so we have to get it to that cone. To that cone. That's doable, actually. Kind of.
Which side are we going?
Oh shit, I can't even see that. I can't even see those dudes fucking going.
Straight up.
Put the hop up down. Put the hop up down. What hop up is? I don't know. I can't be honest. Oh, what the fuck?
Far range, it's completely useless.
Yeah, that's what mine's not that good far range. Let me see if I can. From here to that thing is kind of sus.
Didn't you reach the blue barrels?
What? Yikes. Unless you have to aim a little lower, right? That's be right there, right? Go all the way back? No. Never mind. You can find out later. We'll adjust it. Yeah, then what are you thinking? Left, right?
Oh, that's beam now.
Oh, yeah? Oh, shoot. Alright, you wanna go left? Okay, I feel like I can't go right. So I'm gonna have to go left. Oh, dude, they're gonna have a position on this, bro. So fucked. Dude, how are you gonna move? There's no way. Probably gonna go left, though. Probably did though. Dude, this is the same spot. Oh, this is the way I did the thing, right? The thing. Yeah, I can do that game mode. Easy. For us. Not for them. Dude, it's hitting the nade, though. Oh, that is.
You know what time it is.
2 seconds. 5 seconds, little. He just shot me in the head back here. What the fuck? Dude, what are we supposed to do? This shit is scuffed. Talk about fair, huh? Jesus. You know, I don't even care. I'm sticking my ass out. Right side, right side. One's down? Oh, one's out. Nice. I got one of them down. Still one more. He's headshot? He's head? Behind him. Oh my god. Right through the fucking mask. Oh yeah, now y'all changing the rules. Oh, you alright, man? You good? Oh. Bro, I don't even know where the fuck to go. Dude, there's people down behind the fucking pallets down there. That's why it's hard to make it up.
I could like just lay right there.
You could, yeah. Good luck, though. You'll be exposed from every position on the man.
I'll take you out right there.
Alright, good luck.
There's a dude sitting over there.
Oh, alright. It's pretty scuffed, man. There's 2 guys in the bushes over there. Can't do anything. There's 2 there. You going back in the house?
Yep.
Both went in the house.
Another one?
Oh, yeah, he's going back.
Another one in his hand right there.
Yeah, I'm just trying to free fire through the window. I can't even tell what my hop up is. Can't tell if it's going down up right now. It's too bright. Oh, one of our guys pushing up. Hold him off. Yeah, they're not peeking right now.
One out by the house.
Alright. I can only see the right side of the house. One's still in there. Yep. I'm just keep pressing fire on the hole.
Yep.
the least I can do.
Coming out to the left.
There's two guys on that hole, not peeking or anything. Oh, he got it. Yikes.
Throw deception.
Oh no. Magbro? You can use a mid-cap of mine. Oh, okay. Damn.
If you look inside, you
More
can see like
pushing
the fucking
left.
thing.
What the heck happened? That
We're
spring
gonna
is yoink.
There's two left.
Two left left.
This shit is so stuffed. Can't do anything. Where's the fucking dummy? Where's the dummy at? I think it's on the dummy on the right side somewhere. Huh?
What flag do you have?
25.
What flags do you have?
In bed. It is what it is, you know. Are we supposed to get the enemy spotter that or the cone?
We need to get the dummies to their spawn.
Yeah. What did you say about the cone earlier? About the 50 line?
What?
What What do you say about the cone earlier? Was it the 50 line? Ow, that hurts, sir. God damn, we're dead.
Come on.
Oh,
We
yeah?
got the CQB action over here on the left.
You dead? Yeah.
Why did you have total?
Oh, we have 5. Yeah, I think I have one more actually, but. Dude, this man's spraying us down at spawn.
Yeah, right.
Relax. I got no ultra instinct.
How many you have left? How many you got? Three. You got like 2 more.
Man, how y'all staying alive? I'm fucking dead quick.
Here's the plan. I'm out of everything, but I can still run.
You can take this, bro.
Hard and as far forward.
Actually, my motor's like heating up too. My motor's heating up.
VIP
Yeah.
and I need mag.
Guy shot me right through
You
this.
guys
I'm
can
lucky.
just cover. I just need a shit ton of flame cover, like cover fire. I'm dead. I'm not a rebel. He's up there. Yeah, we need as much covering fire as guys.
Man, dude.
Still has lives here.
I got lives.
Alright.
You want some of mine?
What?
You want some of mine?
You have ammo?
No, I got lives.
You got ammo.
Not ammo.
Ammo for what?
I'm almost out of my ammo, bro.
Oh yeah, the AK.
You guys got ammo?
I got a mid cap.
We need as much.
I'm dead though.
I'm dead.
MP.
MP5.
What?
MP5 mags, yeah.
Yeah, but do you have ammo with you?
Yeah.
Like, do you have more mags? You have lives?
No.
Nice, man. Let
Can you
me
give
stand there.
him?
I want to get shot.
Yeah.
Wait, can you give him lives?
Yeah. Here, you want some lives?
You do that?
Yeah, how many you want? 3? Go get it.
Take that suppressing fire
Alright,
one.
I got short.
You
Shot
with us,
4, I had
can
10
you do that?
lives. 6, 3. I got 3, you got 3. Alright, let's go.
Good luck, boys.
Go. 1, 2, 3. Sam, we're coming up. We're coming up.
Honestly, stay behind the tree. They ruthless, man. They ruthless. Come on, Jason! Ready to suppress fire! Or run and suppress fire. If y'all guys making the move. Yeah. Shit, had ammo in there. Yeah, hopefully as well. Yeah, honestly, I feel like I have one more, but it was too late by then. I was like, should I go out? Or, I don't know. I want to be careful.
Alright, you get ready to push?
I know. I was like, we did. So yeah, we can push back to the loading station. Bro, this was stuck from the beginning, bro. Why'd they get a position before us? I don't understand that. It's very hard enough. We have to run to them, you know. Yeah.
You get friendlies?
No, I got 4 other fucking guys over there shooting me. I was just trying to get to the next piece of cover.
Hey, it's all good. We had some dudes in the blitz.
Literally, they're sitting there
We're both
taking
hitting them.
turns peeking out like.
I at one point got so desperate I was starting to curve my shots,
Oh.
hoping that, you know, maybe.
Yo, where's your
Scuff
I didn't
match.
see anybody.
There's scuff. Scuff match, bro.
Nintendo Practical was the worst spot to be at. I couldn't see it.
It was not it that they had an extra. Well, not even 5. It was 2 seconds.
We didn't win, did we? Lost it?
Nah. I got close.
Jack Sparrow straight works, bro.
You know what you got? Huh? You know what you got?
Half plenty.
Okay, nice.
Like, for sure
How
there's.
much kills you get? Kills you get?
One more like in the middle.
Confident I got 0.
I got 1. I know I got 1.
Sam, carry the body back in
Let's carry the body back.
Well, it's just like, Sam, you know what else was a dick move on their part?
You're like 4 people in the body. Everyone get arm, everyone get along.
They're coming in hot. They got me lost. I'll come back down.
So I just took my fucking.
I lost the hammer first. You have food? Yeah, I have food.
Let a guy else borrow my mag.
Let's try. It was a
Come
attempt.
back later.
We killed a lot of people, but then I got one kill.
Yeah, come back to that left side though. That was fun.
I know.
Yeah.
I thought that little like line of bushes was out of bounds. I was like, no, there's the trail goes right for a quick section of it, so just enough for them to be able to walk through.
I'm not gonna lie. I think I had 1 more life.
I asked them to,
But I wasn't sure because I don't know how many times I died. I don't remember.